In recent years, sightings of unidentified aerial phenomena, commonly known as UFOs, have surged, capturing the public's imagination and concern. A retired senior Pentagon official has recently brought these sightings back into the spotlight with a striking claim. According to this official, there are UFO motherships releasing swarms of drones over sensitive military installations. This assertion adds a new layer of complexity to the already enigmatic issue of UAPs, suggesting advanced and coordinated aerial capabilities that challenge current technological understanding. The official statement has sparked debates within the defense community and beyond. Are they of extraterrestrial origin, or are they advanced technology from a foreign adversary? The Pentagon has yet to provide conclusive answers, leaving room for speculation and concern. The idea of a mothership deploying drones suggests a level of organization and sophistication that is unprecedented. One of the most notable locations where these UFO mothership sightings have been reported is Langley Air Force Base in Virginia. This base is a critical hub for the U.S. Air Force, housing the headquarters of Air Combat Command and providing a training ground for advanced fighter pilots. Witnesses have described seeing large, unidentified craft hovering silently in the skies above the base. These motherships reportedly release smaller drones, which then disperse in various directions. The drones exhibit flight patterns and speeds that are beyond the capabilities of current military technology. The presence of these drones in restricted airspace poses a significant security risk. The inability to identify or intercept these drones effectively has raised concerns about the adequacy of current defense systems. Similar sightings have been reported over Palmdale, California, another location with significant military and aerospace activity. Palmdale is home to Air Force Plant 42, a major aircraft manufacturing facility where some of the most advanced U.S. military aircraft are developed and tested. Witnesses in Palmdale have described seeing massive, silent craft hovering at high altitudes. These motherships release drones that exhibit extraordinary maneuverability and speed. The drones are capable of flying in formation, executing complex flight patterns, and avoiding detection by conventional radar systems. The sightings over Palmdale have been taken seriously by both military and civilian authorities. Investigations have been launched to determine the origin and purpose of these unidentified craft. The lack of physical evidence and the advanced nature of the drones have made it challenging to develop effective countermeasures. The drones released by these UFO motherships exhibit several characteristics and behaviors that distinguish them from known aircraft. One of the most striking features is their ability to hover in place with remarkable stability. Another notable characteristic is the drone's speed and agility. They can accelerate and decelerate rapidly, make sharp turns at high velocities, and execute complex maneuvers with precision. The drones also appear to be equipped with advanced sensor and communication systems. They can operate in coordinated swarms, suggesting a high degree of autonomy and possibly even artificial intelligence. The drones have been observed avoiding radar systems and other forms of detection, possibly through the use of stealth technology or electronic countermeasures. Whether these drones are of extraterrestrial origin or the product of secret military research, their presence represents a significant challenge to current defense systems. The technological challenges posed by these UFO motherships and their drone swarms are substantial. Traditional defense systems designed to counter known threats are proving to be inadequate against these advanced, unidentified craft. One of the primary challenges is detection. The drone's ability to evade radar and other detection methods means that they can operate with relative impunity in restricted airspace. Interception is another significant challenge. The drone's speed, agility, and ability to operate in swarms make them difficult targets for traditional interceptors. Developing new interception methods, possibly involving directed energy weapons or advanced electronic warfare techniques, is essential. The implications of these UFO mothership sightings and their drone swarms for national security are profound. The ability of these unidentified craft to operate in restricted airspace and evade detection poses a direct threat to the security of critical military installations and operations. One immediate concern is the potential for these drones to gather intelligence on sensitive military activities. Another concern is the drone's ability to disrupt or interfere with military operations. Their advanced capabilities could be used to jam communications, disable equipment, or even carry out offensive actions. If they are of foreign origin, they could represent a significant technological advantage for an adversary. If they are of extraterrestrial origin, it would imply the existence of advanced civilizations with capabilities far beyond current human technology. The public and policymakers need to be informed about the nature of these threats and the steps being taken to address them. In response to the sightings of UFO motherships and their drone swarms, the U.S. has several potential courses of action. One immediate step is to enhance detection and surveillance capabilities. This could involve developing new radar and sensor technologies specifically designed to detect and track these elusive drones. Another potential response is to develop new interception and defense technologies. Directed energy weapons such as lasers or microwave systems could provide a means to counter the drone's advanced maneuverability and speed. Advanced electronic warfare techniques could also be employed to disrupt their communication and control systems, rendering them ineffective. In addition to technological responses, there is a need for strategic and policy measures. This includes increasing cooperation and information sharing with allies and partners to build a collective understanding of the threat and develop coordinated responses. The recent sightings of UFO motherships and their drone swarms bear similarities to past UFO incidents, but they also present new and unique challenges. Historically, UFO sightings have often been dismissed or explained as natural phenomena, misidentified aircraft, or hoaxes. One notable comparison is with the sightings reported during the Cold War era. During this time, there were numerous reports of unidentified craft appearing near military installations and conducting surveillance. The current sightings, however, exhibit capabilities far beyond what was reported during the Cold War. Another comparison can be made with the famous Roswell incident of 1947, where an alleged UFO crash in New Mexico sparked widespread speculation and conspiracy theories. The recent sightings also differ from past incidents in their frequency and consistency. Multiple reports from credible sources, including military personnel, have described similar phenomena occurring in different locations. In response to the recent sightings, the U.S. government has launched several official investigations to gather information and develop a better understanding of the phenomena. These investigations involve multiple agencies, including the Department of Defense, the intelligence community, and scientific organizations. One of the key initiatives in this effort is the establishment of the Unidentified Aerial Phenomena Task Force, or UAPTF, by the Department of Defense. The UAPTF is responsible for investigating and analyzing sightings of UAPs, including the recent reports of UFO motherships and their drone swarms. In addition to the UAPTF, other agencies such as the Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA, are also involved in the investigations. The FAA monitors air traffic and collects data on sightings reported by pilots and air traffic controllers. NASA contributes its expertise in aerospace technology and scientific analysis to help understand the nature of these unidentified craft. Despite these efforts, many questions remain unanswered. Experts in the field of defense and aerospace have weighed in on the recent sightings of UFO motherships and their drone swarms, offering their perspectives on the potential implications and necessary responses. One notable voice is Chris Mellon, a former Deputy Assistant Secretary of Defense for Intelligence. Mellon has been an advocate for greater transparency and investigation into UAPs, highlighting the potential security risks they pose. Mellon has stressed the importance of taking these sightings seriously and conducting thorough investigations. He has pointed out that the advanced capabilities of these drones suggest a level of technological sophistication that is not currently understood. Other experts have echoed Mellon's concerns. Military officials, aerospace engineers, and intelligence analysts have all emphasized the need for a coordinated and comprehensive approach to address the issue. The advanced nature of the drones and the lack of concrete evidence make it a challenging problem to address. The sightings of UFO motherships and their drone swarms over sensitive military installations represent a new and complex challenge for national security. The advanced capabilities of these unidentified craft, combined with their ability to evade detection and operate in coordinated swarms, pose significant risks that current defense systems are not equipped to handle. Addressing this challenge requires a multifaceted approach. Enhancing detection and surveillance technologies, developing new interception and defense systems, and increasing international cooperation are all critical steps. Additionally, ongoing investigations and intelligence efforts are essential to gather information and develop a comprehensive understanding of the phenomena. The recent sightings also highlight the need for greater transparency and communication. The public and policymakers need to be informed about the nature of these threats and the steps being taken to address them. The defense community must continue to adapt and innovate to address this evolving challenge and protect national security.